Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Phúc.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like play soccer in your hometown because it's because my hometown is more friend. It's very fun.
Cool. And what do you dislike about your neighborhood?
I don't know because my neighborhood is my friend.
Are computers important to you?
No,
Why not?
because I don't like computer. Because you play games in computer is not good. Then play soccer.
Hmm. Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I don't know because I really eat at home.
City or countryside?
In my country, I like it cơm tấm and bánh mì.
Cool. Thank you, Bob. Well done.
Yes.